Deep in the heart of the jungle, where shadows blend with sunlight and the wild reigns supreme, lives the last of the great predators, the Bengal tiger. Silent, calculated. Every step the Bengal tiger takes is precise, its muscles tensed beneath its shimmering coat. Hidden in the tall grass, it moves with purpose, each movement bringing it closer to its prey. In this moment, the tiger is both hunter and ghost, a creature born of survival. The Bengal tiger's stalking technique is a testament to its adaptability. With powerful legs and sharp claws, it can leap 30 feet in a single bound, making it one of nature's most formidable hunters. This jungle, a labyrinth of trees and vines, is the tiger's domain. For centuries, it has thrived in this hidden kingdom, navigating paths known only to it and its ancestors. Here, the tiger is not just an apex predator, but a guardian of the wild, ensuring balance among all who dwell within. Bengal tigers can be found in the Sundarbans, a unique mangrove forest. They are vital to maintaining the ecological balance of these areas, controlling prey populations and promoting biodiversity. And then, the chase begins. With a sudden burst of speed, the tiger propels itself forward, muscles ripple under its striped coat as it gains on its prey. A Bengal tiger can reach speeds of up to 40 miles per hour, but only in short bursts. The jungle around them becomes a blur, the only focus, survival. It relies on stealth, patience, and its powerful bite to catch its prey. In the tiger's world, strength is not only a matter of survival, but dominance. Rival males clash in fierce battles, each vying for control over territory, food, and mating rights. The jungle is unforgiving, and only the strongest survive to leave their mark. Male tigers fiercely defend their territories, which can span up to 40 square miles. These battles are often brutal, with scars left behind as reminders of their struggle. But survival comes at a cost. For the Bengal tiger, every day is a battle. Whether facing other predators or the encroaching presence of humans, the tiger must adapt to survive. And yet, despite its strength, its kingdom is shrinking. A mother tiger watches over her cubs, ever vigilant. She is their protector, their teacher, their provider. In her eyes, the future of her species rests, and every lesson she gives could be the difference between life and death for the next generation. A mother tiger will stay with her cubs for up to 2 years, teaching them to hunt and survive. Cubs are vulnerable, and only half of them make it to adulthood. Tigers roar, can be heard up to 2 miles away, marking its territory and warning others. But today, fewer tigers are left to make that sound echo through the wild. The tiger's roar echoes through the jungle, a sound as ancient as the land itself. It is a reminder to all that this is its home, its kingdom. But the roar grows quieter with each passing day as the jungle fades and the tiger's world disappears. Over the last century, Bengal tigers have lost 93% of their historical range. Habitat fragmentation and human-wildlife conflict are among the biggest challenges they face today. Once their shadows danced across the jungle floor in numbers too great to count. Now they are few and far between, their presence more ghostly than real. As their numbers dwindle, so too does the jungle that was their sanctuary. Fewer than 2,500 Bengal tigers are estimated to be breeding in the wild. Without immediate action, this iconic species could vanish within our lifetime. Echoes of the past linger in the wind, stories of tigers that once ruled these lands. Their trails, their roars, their legends, all fading into memory. But even in these whispers, there is hope. Historical records show Bengal tigers once ranged across much of Asia. Conservation efforts today seek to preserve their legacy and restore their populations. The tiger's legacy is not one of defeat, but of resilience. Conservationists, governments, and local communities are working tirelessly to save this majestic creature. Protected reserves, anti-poaching laws, and education programs are paving the way for a future where tigers might once again thrive. Through coordinated efforts, tiger populations have stabilized in some regions, but there is still much to be done. Protecting these apex predators is essential not only for their survival, but for the ecosystems they support. In the end, the Bengal tiger represents more than just strength, beauty, or power. It reminds us of nature's balance, life's fragility, and the need to protect what remains before it's gone.